Hi, I'm Frank Hanson with Iowa Realty. And like many of you, today I'm working from home because we're right in the midst of the coronavirus pandemic. But I'd like to take you through a virtual open house so you can take a look at a property that we have in Country Club. This stunning two-story home and country club with the walkout lower level offers 4 bedrooms, 4 full baths, and 2 half baths. It has 4 gas fireplaces, a 3-car attached garage. It sits on nearly a half-acre fenced lot, and there's over 5,500 square feet finished. It's being offered at a great price of $559,000. As you enter the home, to the right there's an executive study with fireplace and extensive built-ins. To the left is a formal dining room with plenty of room for the family or for entertaining. The dining room opens to a huge island kitchen with granite counters, stainless steel appliances, an abundance of white cabinetry, 2 ovens, plenty of prep space, and a butler's pantry. The kitchen also has full view to a large family room with fireplace, and there's a large sunroom which is accessible from the kitchen and family room. The sunroom overlooks the backyard. The upper level of the home features 3 bedrooms, and each has its own full bath. The large master bedroom has tray ceilings, a fireplace. It has a huge closet split for individual clothing storage, and there's a large master bath with 2 separate vanities, a tub, and a shower. The lower walkout level has 1,600 square feet finished with a 4th bedroom, bath, several daylight windows, a large family room with fireplace, and room for a game room and workout area. There's also plenty of room left for storage. Finally, there is a large deck overlooking the fenced and treed backyard. I hope you enjoyed that virtual open house, and people are calling me asking me if we're showing houses, and just so you know, today's April 21st, and from April 1st through April 20th, we've had 984 new listings and 821 sales. So we are open for business. If you'd like to take a look at that property or any property, give me a call, Frank Hanson, 515-770-4333.